Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another wig install from the Nadula Hair Amazon. This is their Chestnut Brown Ombre Yaki Straight Wig. It does have the bye-bye knots pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-everything lace closure. It's a 7x5 lace closure. This wig is 100% human hair, 150% density, and as you guys can see, she is a beautiful yaki straight texture, which we all love. One of my favorite things about this wig is mostly the color. I really like how they blended the chestnut brown with the 1B together. Like, it looks really good. The lace behaved very well, and of course it has that beautiful drawstring that we are all obsessed with. So per the usual, I'm going to give you guys some close-ups of the wig. Again, I'm going to throw her on and use the drawstring, add a little bit of lace melting spray on the lace, etc., and then I'll come back when it's time to talk about the styling. So I'm leaving my hair in the middle part today, but I am going to show you guys how deep you can go on each side. It's a 7x5 lace closure, and I've done a side part on a 7x5 lace closure for you guys before, but you know, just for the video purposes, I went ahead and I parted it on the side to kind of show you how far you can go depending on what you're looking for. But again, I'm sticking with the middle part. So right now I'm just adding some lace melting spray on my lace. I'm gonna let it melt underneath the elastic band. I did add some more foundation on the lace later on as well, which I think I show you guys, but regardless, you guys know how that goes. Adding some lace melting spray to me is just my preference. You don't have to do it if you don't want to, because that drawstring really tightens the entire wig cap for you, including the lace area. But trust me when I tell you, a little bit of spray makes a difference. Okay, we are back. I styled one side off camera, so I'm just showing you guys what the difference is, and I'm gonna style the other side for you on camera. So basically what I did is, I knew I wanted to add some curls into her, so I just added some curls with my flat iron, but then I went back and decided to add layers. And the only reason why I did it that way is because that was an accident. When I did the other side off camera, I added the curls and I was like, look better with some layers, so I added layers after the fact. And I'm not too sure what the big difference it is, like, you know, adding layers before you curl versus, you know, after you curl, but for some reason it made a difference to me, and I feel like I'm gonna start doing it this way going forward. So to all my cosmetologists who be watching my videos, let me know if there's really a big difference in that technique, because I don't know, it just made it look even more, I don't really know what the word is. It just made a difference, okay? It made a difference. Curling it first and then adding layers, and then I kind of like bumped the ends a little bit more. I don't know. It just made a huge difference versus adding layers beforehand. I don't know. But anyways, let's talk about the quality of the hair for a second. It's yaki hair, so you guys know I do not have any complaints when it comes to shedding or tangling. I never have that issue with yaki hair, especially from Nadula Hair Amazon. There was no strange smell. The hair behaved to the heat extremely well, and the good thing about yaki hair is that it holds a really nice curl versus kinky hair. Okay, so there's a little bit of a difference there. Right now I'm just adding some more foundation on my lace to make sure that it blends in with everything else, and instead of adding baby hairs on the side, I kind of just took the hair and covered up the ends of the lace closure on each side, because when I turn my head you can see the lace a little bit, so I wanted to hide that. Hopefully that makes sense to you guys, but if not, just watch and you'll realize what I did. Okay ladies, that is it for this tutorial. Very easy to follow. You guys know this is one of my go-to hairstyles. I do wish that the hair was just a little fuller. I would have loved a good 180% density to 200% density exactly like this, because this color is bomb. What they did with it is really nice. I would have just liked it a little fuller. However, it looks really nice. I really like how the style came out. So if you are interested, make sure you check out my description box down below. The link will be there per the usual. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys next time.